Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And both these levels actually still pertain very much so into the action after today's price movement. First level that's been, and this isn't really an update, but just confirmation that, yeah, 72 cents here really is a key level of resistance. Now, granted, the price did temporarily break above it this morning. So, I mean, the chart was showing some great signs of strength. The problem is the price was not able to hold above it. And right there, you can see the price broke down below that red line. And then right after that, price made a movement back upwards, and you can see that that stubborn 72-cent mark went right back to acting as resistance again. So point here being 72 cents, although a temporary broken today, it's gone back to acting as resistance. So that remains public enemy number one if there's going to be any sort of movements back upwards. So keep an eye on that. And then on the flip side of things, the level that I talked about as far as supports was that green line right there. And you can see that the price came down here and actually had quite a bit of momentum from here all the way down to there, and then just started to go sideways. And surprise, surprise, started to go sideways right around that green line there. So right here at 58 cents was a level that you would want to see act as support if it got tested. And it did get tested, and it did act as support. So that's a good sign in and of itself right there. Now, in the event, because, I mean, there is still quite a bit of downwards momentum, but if this 58-cent mark does not quite hold up, the next key overarching level of support to keep an eye on now would be that purple line down there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 52 cents. So that level very well could be coming into play here, with the amount of downwards pressure. But overall, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed, just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time. So like I said, that still has the opportunity to do that. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward. But yeah, things are looking a little bit shaky, but there is still that opportunity there. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.